G. Hi all, I am G and my sound is G. I am the 7th letter of the alphabet family. I have written a beautiful story for you all. The story is about a very cute girl, Gul, and her goat, Goti. There lived a little girl, Gul. She had a beautiful white goat named Goti. One day, Goti was sitting very sad in her garden. She was very hungry and there was no grass to eat. Gul saw sad Goti and brought some fresh green grass from the market. As Goti was so hungry, she ate all the green grass with great joy. Gul and Goti became very happy and later they started playing in the green garden. This was Gul and her best friend Goti. Dear children, now let me introduce you to my other two friends. I am a glass. Glass. You use me to drink. You can drink water, milk, and juice in me. I can be made up of plastic, steel, or glass. This was glass. Glass. We are grapes. Grapes. We are sweet and sour fruit with delicious taste. We grow on the beautiful grape vines. We can be in green or plum color. These were grapes. Green grapes. Let's hear something very interesting with Goti is grazing in the green grass. Goti is grazing in the green grass. Do you want to read with me? All right. Goti is grazing in the green grass. It's a goodbye for now. Friends, we will meet soon.